Newton laws of motions. Newton formulated three laws about the motion of an object. Newton laws are applicable only for the classical bodies. Newton laws are applicable only for the classical bodies. Yani that bodies which are moving with a speed less than the speed of light. Newton's first law of motion. This law states that in the absence of an external unbalanced force, the body at rest will remain at rest, and if the body is moving, will continue to move forever. इसकी एग्जाम्पल ये है, न्यूटन said that if a body at rest, they will be in the rest position forever without the external force. If a chair is present in the room, so without the external force, the chair will be in the rest position forever. And if a body is moving and if a ball is moving with uniform velocity, but without the external force, they will move forever. Such law is called Newton's first law of motion. Such statement, such law are called Newton's first law of motion. When a body is moving with uniform velocity, then in such condition, the acceleration is zero in that body because they will move in the uniform velocity. Next one जो है, this law is also called law of inertia. Inertia, it is the property of an object to maintain its state of rest or its state of uniform motions. Newton inertia, can also be defined as it is the resistance to any external change. The resistance to any external change. A body provides resistance to any external change. If a body at rest, and if you apply force on that body, so the body will create resistance that want to maintain its rest, its state of rest. And if a body is moving, they want to remain its motion forever. Let a book lying on the table. A book lying on the table due to inertia. Due to क्या? Inertia. यानी कि without the external force, the book will be present on the table. Next example उसकी ये भी है कि if a car is moving in the straight line and if the car take a turn, in such condition the car want to maintain its state of motions, but the external force change the direction of a cars. This is all about the Newton laws of motion, Newton first law of motion.